How often do you look at yourself in the mirror?
Always. Every time I look at myself in the mirror.
I look at myself in the mirror every day when I wake up. It's sort of my morning ritual. I always work in a professional environment, so I try my best to look presentable. That's why I have to look in the mirror to make sure my hair is tidy, my face is groomed, and my clothes are not crinkled. Do you often buy mirrors?
Oh yes, I really love pretty, so I often buy mirror.
Not really. I only buy one when mine gets broken. But other than that, I don't really buy mirrors. Girls might, though. I think most females have a habit of replacing mirrors quite often. Do you think mirrors are a necessary decoration?
Oh yes, because I think it will change the space of the room.
I think it's a very useful decorative item. With a beautiful frame, it can nicely complement a living room or a bedroom. In addition, in a small house, mirrors can actually make the space look bigger. Actually, a lot of restaurants use mirrors to give the guests the illusion that the space is bigger than it actually is.